Hey guys, this is a bit of a throwback video. You can see there are some acne scars on my face because I suffer from cystic acne, and so I'm going to show you how I washed my face and then how I kind of removed some of the acne scars. I'm starting off with a very gentle cleanser, and I'm really rubbing that cleanser in. Then I wipe it off with a textured cloth, and then I use these simple cleansing cloths to remove the rest of the makeup. And you can see, I don't know if it's because of the texture of my skin, that the makeup really just gets into the grooves of it. So I just really want to make sure my skin is clean. Now I use the Banish Acne Scars Kit, and this is microneedling. And now you always want to start off with alcohol, cleanse the skin, make sure everything is clean, and also use alcohol to cleanse the tool. The tool comes in a variety of different point sizes, and you want to start with the dullest point to get your skin accustomed to it, and you just start rolling it in your skin. You can see I'm quite gentle there because I just really want to get my skin accustomed to the pain, and it can be painful, and the harder you go, the more effective it will be. What microneedling is puncturing the skin, damaging it so that it can regenerate new skin, and this increases the pace of what your skin will regenerate to create new skin and thus clear the scar. So the final step to this process is just to add the vitamin C serum, and you rub it all over the areas that you treated, and that's it. If you do this process 1 to 2 times a week, you will see that your acne scars will disappear just like that. So if you liked this video, please comment. Let me know if you've tried this process before, if you've seen results. If you want more information on Banish, I'll put the link below. And also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet.